Yago.
Hi, Yago. Hello.
Yago.
Hello, Yago.
Put your hand, put your hand.
Ay, baka kakainin niya. Ha?
Like this. Meron ka naman jacket eh. Then, put it up.
Baka kagatin ako. Ay, hello. This is Yago. Hello.
Yago!
Hello.
Hey!
Baka maano ko. Ay, nakakatakot. Okay,
Relax.
Yago.
Hey!
Yago.
Yago! Hey!
You're so cute.
Hate niya yan eh.
Hey, Yago.
Yag!
Uy, sakto. Ayan na, ayan na.
Hey, Yago. Oh my God. He's so adorable. It's my new best friend, Yago. Yago is in the house. Hello. 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 My best friend's talking to me. All the way here in New York. Yago is in town. And we're heading to Philippines.
Di bali bigas na ng mata.
So for those friends
dito ha.
who are willing to help Yago, just read this one. Airfare for Yago to Philippines so we can explore the 7,107 islands.
So na pre.
So adorable. Ay, tinanggal niya talaga. Kakainin niya, nakakatakot.
No, he will not.
He will put it back.
Yeah, no, he cannot put it back. But
Okay.
he will not eat it.
Yago.
Let's play with it.
Sarap pulutan yan.
Oh my God, he's so cute. I can do this forever. Let's do this forever, Yago. Dance. Tugs. Ang so cute niya. Tugs. Yago. Why so cute?
Open your wings.
On the wings of
Open your wings.
I can do this forever, Yago. I don't mind.
Sino ka?
Hey.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Why you so adorable, Yago? I love you already.
Bye-bye.
Tinatanggal niya. Hey, Yago.
Kukulik mo dala kung ano.
So we have the owl here.
Ano yan?
The eye of the
Parang
owl.
piniprito lang.
And Yago's eye. Don't forget, guys. Ouch! Sorry. Ikaw daw. Yago. Yago.
Nabukasan mo to.
Hey, Yago. Airfare to Philippines. You just have to dance and sing. Hey, guys. Hello. Hello. So cute. Thanks, Yago.
Bye-bye.
Kissing kuya. Seriously? Yag!
Huwag mo naman yung tutsang ko.
Yeah,
Ow!
Ouch, Yag!
Oh, yucks.
Yags. Okay, kiss Kuya Martin. Give a blow kiss. There you go.
Sino?
Okay.
Nalikan kita?
Fly, Yags. Dalawa naman yung ibon dyan.
Sino gusto mong malikan? Si Yago.
Ilan ibon dyan? Dalawa, no?
Dalawa ibon dyan.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.